Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Once I know.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Alright, so about a feast that me only can ride by. You can cook too. See? I'm gonna chef it up right now. We're gonna make a seafood soup. That we are doing today. See? So boom. I went ahead already, cut up some pumpkin and put it in the pot already. Now I'll cut up some conch. Cut up some conch and leave it the right way down. Yeah man, because I want the conch and the pumpkin to kind of, you know, cook at the same time, because I want the conch take a little longer to cook, so you don't know. So it have to go in early.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day.
No. Alright, guys, chef it up, man.
I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
What's your name?
Dig down all of this. Look how this fat. Cheese and bread.
Can't wait, eh? What's your name? Couldn't wait till me done.
No, sir.
Right here. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Want some no? Want some no? Want some no?
You want some now?
Glory be to the Father and to the Son. Cheese and bread.
See it on a bike alone, ride. And a car alone will fix. Fix up the pot, fix in the kitchen too. Let me give them a next.
Thing, full of body.
Let me give them a stir, make them see body eye. Let them see the body, let them see the body.
Give me that.
Sorry. Hold on. I make it taste the conch. Taste the conch. You cut up fine, you know, so nothing. Search it.
Give me all of that.
Wait, no man.
Other man, yeah, give me chocolate. I want that big fat. Mother watching mother spring water. No, sir.
Hey, the bottom of the pot go nice up far. Hold on, man. Let me find something for you, man.
All of it.
You want all of this?
Yeah.
Alright, conch and mussel and everything in this.
Give me one with all of it. This is that bread and soup, man. Give me a little juice and soup, man.
The pot not done yet, you know.
Give me that, man. Thank you.
Before the pot done, them I eat out the pot. No, sir. Alright, brother.
15 minutes later.
Alright. See it, you know. Eat this, you know. See, boss lady one day. It's my own, yeah. I eat this, you know. I eat this, no. I'm saying, ready for you to taste this? See. We had to say your grace first. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this full year. In your name I pray, amen. Alright. See you now? Bomba! You can't sell. You can't can you pan sell it. That's so cold soup. Boom, body, joy, bad. Come taste it. You come taste it and me get your reaction. Because I know why people don't feel like I gas you up.
There's
More you
half-cooked reaction.
more you give them your real reaction. Like,
So what was the one before?
no cap. Huh?
It
was
wasn't
real.
chicken.
It was real. But, I mean,
But
one of the people didn't realize
I don't be mad about food.
that's so cold going with the liquor food. Say your grace.
First of all, let's get into.
Ooh, you see how that taste, boy? Boy can cook. But you're dead. Hurry. Give me a taste test, please and thank you.
Yeah, it's good.
It's good?
It's a bomb.
It's a bomb?
It's bomb.
Alright.
Open my face like that.
It's bad.
It is.
Alright.
She's
good.
the flavor.
The flavor? Talk about the flavor.
The other one, it have flavor, you know. But you know, like the flavor never settle in the pot good. No, it's settle in the pot.
It's like sickle now.
Settle.
Sickle, back up. Alright. So, y'all see, as I knows a little thing about the kitchen. You see? So I know the mechanic alone or the bike alone. We know about the kitchen too. Catch up on the next one.
The next morning.
Hey, but yeah, man, I would, if I was you, I'd get the, do the round I did. Because I'm going to switch my sauce up regardless. I think I'm going to go with that gravy.
Alright, so the boys here. And we about to pull out. So happy for my boy, he just got that. Like he just picked it up. So happy for him right now. Yeah, so yeah, as you see, it's the R1 club, but we have One outcast, but he good. He good, he good.
Outcast, bro.
He good.
Damn, bro.
Alright, so we about to jump on these horses and do what we do. And I do say horses because this nigga decided to come out here in his horse riding boots.
Yes, sir.
Rascals.
Yes, sir.
Wrong horse, my guy.
I agree with your dig, brother.
Yep.